I'm Angie Ng from Slutwalker, Hong Kong, and I'm also a Reiki healer and a Shamanic healer. I'm really happy to be here today at WeSpace for Denise and Michelle's special workshop. Now I have to be honest, I came here today because I really love Denise. I've seen her online before and I met her in person once near Lausanne, and finally she was near Zurich. So I just had to come out and met her lovely partner Michelle. They're so encouraging, they're so intuitive, they know exactly what every single person needs, every single participant in the workshop needs. And I'm sure everyone took away so much from it. The synergies, the cooperations that are going to happen because of women meeting each other in this workshop are just unlimited. And they really believe in helping the world by helping individuals become the best they can be to reach their vision. And today, wow, they really helped us realize what we wanted ourselves and how to get there. And all of us work together on these projects and these ideas. Wow, yeah, thank you so much. Michelle, Denise, you guys are amazing.